Hi everyone, it's Nancy Wethington for the Button Farm Club. I'm here to show you my latest album with them. This is 49 and Market, and it's their beautiful Avesta line. And I just thought this was so pretty. All the images look like they're watercolored. This is a 49 and Market album as well. This is the cover of the book, and I've used this dimensional Prima shutter window. And the inside of my window is left blank. I don't have a good photo to put in there yet. I haven't found the exact photo that I want. But what I would suggest if you're making the album, leave this back unglued so that you can slip a photo behind if you're like me and not sure which one you want to use, but I think that would look precious with a photo inside of it. For the images on the front, these are all from the laser cut ephemera kit, and they're just beautiful, so you don't have to do anything except punch them out. How easy is that? Pretty, huh? And I've done it so that it looks like the flowers are hanging over from the window. This is the spine. I've done the same thing. You'll get a length of ribbon for the center of the spine, and then these are also from the laser cut ephemera kit. So let's take a look at the inside. On the inside cover page, you will be making a dimensional envelope. Right. So there'll be lots of room to put photos in here if you have larger photos. It's closed with a clear Velcro dot, and it's only like a 3/8 inch dot, so you barely see it. And then a butterfly. And on page number 1, you're going to do a closure with another piece that's from the laser cut kit, this ribbon. And you'll make a flip, this band flip, that will actually slip under the ribbon, and that will be your closure for this page. So once that's open, you'll have a side flip to the left and a side flip to the right, and enough for 2 photos here, or 1 large photo, 1 photo here, 4x6, and a piece of little spot for journaling. So we'll close that up. Oh, I forgot. This opens. Oh my goodness. So each of these pages, there's 3 pages total, and each page has 4 sides. So you'll get, in essence, 12 pages to work with. So this is the first opening. This is also a piece from the kit with a side pocket, and then the center, a flip. Leave the top open so you can slip a photo behind this frame, and close this up. Now we can turn the page. And on this page, what I did, oh my goodness, my long guy's here. Good grief. Sorry about that. On this page, what I did is take a piece of the paper and cut around, just fussy cut around a length of flowers, fussy cut around another length of flowers, so that it creates 2 pockets. And in the back pocket, I added this with a little flower pull. And then with leftover papers, you'll create 3 inserts, 2 longs, and then a photo insert. And that will go in the second pocket. And then in the corner, you'll do some ephemera again and little pop-ups with a beautiful butterfly. Now this is a start of section 2, so this will have also a butterfly. You'll leave the left side of the wings open, not glued, so that you can tuck this little journal square behind. This is part of the paper that you normally cut off and throw away, but you know I like to keep those because they make really good just a little bit of ephemera, so I love those tickets. And then that opens. So again, you have a spot for 4x6, 2 4x6 here, or if you want, 1 5x7 and a 4x6. I think this book would be so pretty for Mother's Day, anniversary, birthday, wedding shower. Then on this page, this is the open side now. And I love this paper lace. Isn't that wonderful? It's so vintage looking. Got a couple of tucks in that pocket. And then at the bottom to decorate this is a piece from the ephemera punch outs, the laser cuts, little ribbon from the same, and then another little place where you can add a date or whatever. And then in the center section, a corner tuck and a frame so you can slide a photo in the back, and then have more photos on this or use it for journaling. Okay, and on the next page, the back page of that section 2, you're going to have a flip. Again, that beautiful paper lace. Their laser cuts are amazing. It's a top flip, so another spot for a photo. Then I've added a frame. Again, tuck your photo in. Some pop-up roses. And then you have 2 tags. Again, you can use these for journaling, but once you tuck them in the pocket, it closes up the top flap. Okay, in the last section, this is section 3. So on this one, I've done a couple of different things. First of all, in the corner, you have one of their really pretty stamps. This is another piece left over from the bottom of the 12 by 12 paper that you normally throw away, but I like to keep them. A little rose, and I've only glued it on the bottom, so again, this will act as a tuck behind. Okay, so open, and you have photo placement and photo placement. And then we're going to open this to the middle section. And here's a place for a nice large photo. Again, that beautiful cut lace at the top, paper lace. But it sure does look real, doesn't it? And then a combination of belly band. And when I do my belly bands, I like to put something on the pocket that's raised a little bit. I'm sorry, at the bottom of the belly band page that's raised a little bit, so that when you do put something behind the belly band, it doesn't fall through. It's just one of my things. So that closes up. And the back of that page has a nice big frame mat. And the inside back, or inside, yeah, the back of the book, this is this part of the wreath is a die cut from the laser cut ephemera. This is a page that already had this wreath printed, but I thought that was so pretty to pop this up, give it a little bit of dimension, and then add your photo inside this circle. I think a family photo would be really nice there. And that's the book. So this will be available at the Button Farm very shortly. And again, with that beautiful paper, 49 in Market Avesta paper, with a Prima shutter window on the outside. Thank you so much. Bye.